Welcome back to Torque Update, where we bring you the most exciting rides hitting the road. And today, we're diving deep into something fresh from Ford stable, the 2026 Ford Mustang FX. While the Mustang already has a legendary status, the new FX trim adds a more daring edge. It's not just another variant. It's an attitude on wheels. So let's explore everything you need to know. Right out of the gate, the 2026 Mustang FX feels different. Not in the reinvent the wheel kind of way, but in a let's sharpen this blade kind of way. Ford hasn't lost its muscle car roots, but the FX takes it somewhere more focused. Think of it as the Mustang's athletic cousin that just got back from track day. It looks mean, sounds incredible, and feels planted, like it's ready for anything from daily drives to canyon carving. It has that Mustang soul, but with a tighter grip on performance. Visually, the FX is a showstopper. It builds on the S650 Mustang's muscular foundation, but adds unique aero tweaks, including a more aggressive front splitter, new hood vents, and a rear diffuser that wouldn't look out of place on a race car. The blacked-out grille, smoked LED lights, and exclusive FX badging give it its own personality. The body rides slightly lower than the base GT, and those 20-inch gloss black forged wheels wrapped in sticky performance rubber complete the look. It's subtle enough to stay classy, but bold enough to earn stares. New color options like Shadow Bronze Metallic and Frozen Silver Matte are also exclusive to the FX trim, offering a stealthy but premium look. Step inside, and you'll notice that the Mustang FX is more refined than ever. Ford has leaned into a blend of digital sophistication and driver-focused design. The cabin features Recaro sport seats wrapped in suede and leather, offering serious bolstering without sacrificing comfort. The dashboard is fully digital, featuring a 12.4-inch customizable digital gauge cluster and a 13.2-inch central touchscreen running the latest SYNC 5 interface. Expect wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and even drift analytics and lap timers for weekend warriors. Ambient lighting, carbon fiber accents, and contrast stitching in FX-exclusive colors like deep red or titanium blue add that special touch. Here's where it gets really fun. The 2026 Ford Mustang FX ditches a V8, but wait, hear this out, and instead runs a high-output 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbocharged inline-4 that delivers a jaw-dropping 375 horsepower and 400 lb-ft of torque. Yes, that's right, from a four-cylinder. Thanks to lightweight tuning, a reworked intake and exhaust, and a retuned suspension, the FX isn't just about raw speed. It's about agility. It hits 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4.5 seconds. And the chassis tweaks make it sharper than a GT in the corners. It's paired with 10-speed automatic or an optional 6-speed manual. And you better believe Ford spent time making both feel razor sharp. This is a performance Mustang for a new generation, lighter, tighter, and turbocharged. Ford plans to roll out the Mustang FX in late 2025, with production beginning in the fall and dealership availability by early 2026. Pricing will start around $39,995, which places it nicely between the EcoBoost Premium and the base GT. It's designed to offer something fresh, affordable performance with track-ready tuning, modern looks, and daily usability. Whether you're a longtime Mustang fan or someone looking for something exciting without breaking the bank, the FX makes a solid case. So, what do you think of the 2026 Mustang FX? A lightweight, turbocharged thrill machine with serious attitude. We think Ford might just have nailed the modern muscle formula here. If you love hearing about the latest rides of the soul of a gearhead, make sure to hit that like button, tap the notification bell, and subscribe to Torque Update. We'll keep the revs high and the updates coming.